So it's not uncommon for procedure documentation to become outdated. It's something that we forget about. It's not part of day-to-day operations. The reality is that takes a lot of time, and that's where we come in, is we can come in and we can create that process from start to finish, show it across all of the different departments, every touch, from the moment a customer requests a service to the moment that it's done, nobody needs to touch it any longer. Employees learn or process information in different ways. Some people need to hear it, some people need to read it and see it. Other people, the visual of a picture is the best way for them to learn something. Having your processes and procedures really include all of those elements makes them the most usable from an organization base. So if you're going to go back and look at your procedures, they should include all of those pieces, and that's where we can assist.